Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to another product review episode. I know I have been MIA for 2 weeks, but now I am back and I'm gonna post some kick-ass contents for you guys. I have been MIA for 2 weeks because I was working on Instagram Reels, I was working on YouTube short videos because I wanted to do something else rather than doing my organic content posting. And trust me guys, that videos like short videos takes a lot of time to edit because I am compressing a 8-minute video into and 1-minute video, so it will obviously take some time. So I was learning how to make it, I was editing, I was shooting, and all of that sort was happening for this 2 weeks. So I'm really sorry for that, but the good thing is I have learned about them and I'm ready to post reels and shorts as well. But coming back to the main part of this video, I'm going to talk about today this Maybelline New York Lasting Fix makeup setting spray. One of my subscriber has commented on a video that I should share a review on this product as well. I'm going to share a review on this product because I have used it for a couple of times on my videos. You have seen me using it and I love this product all in all, but I have some pros and cons about this product as well. So if you want to know about all of those, then please keep on watching. The packaging looks like this. It's a very basic packaging as you can see, and it retails for 5.99 rupees for 60 ml of product, and it's very travel friendly as well because it's a very basic packaging. As you can see, it's a plastic packaging, so you don't have to worry about whether it is breaking or not. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on and I have a lot of powder products on my face today, but I didn't use any type of fixing spray because I wanted to use it right here. Okay, so this is how you have to open. It's just basic packaging and just shake it before using it. Okay, any fixing spray that you are using, you have to shake a product. If you are using water based product, you have to shake it before you use, and you just have to check whether it's working or not. Yeah, spray it from the outside and just spray it. I have gone a little bit overboard, but I don't mind it. But I'm going to talk about the smell of this product. It has a high percentage of alcohol. It's sometimes very nauseating, and after using it for 5 seconds I cannot breathe because it just blocks everything, and it's pretty nauseating and suffocating as well. But all in all, it's very like matte finish makeup fixing spray. As you can see, I have gone a little bit overboard as I have mentioned, but all in all, it's a very nice matte finish fixing spray. Two particular words that really intrigues me in this beauty world. One is comedogenic and two is this matte finish. Whenever I see a product which has matte finish, I'm like, baby, you are mine, just come to me. And my mother is cooking, so there is a lot of noise of utensils, so I'm really sorry for that. So this is a very nice matte finish makeup fixing spray. It's very long lasting as well as compared to the other drugstore products. It stays up to 6 to 8 hours. Like, it will not give you the exact matte finish for up to 6 hours, but it will give almost like a semi matte finish. Okay, if you want that intact matte finish, you might want to spray it in every 3 or 4 hours, if that makes sense to me, because you can carry it. It's a pretty like small packaging. It won't take a lot of space in your bag, so you can carry it out. The ingredients list sound pretty simple. The main ingredients of this product are dinette, aqua, alcohol, and talc, and so on so on. It has pretty simple ingredients, but it has a lot of chemical, which can be a bummer. And also one more thing I want to mention, that if you are using it prior makeup, it can react with your skin. Only use it to set your makeup, and that's that, end of the story. You cannot use it for any other purpose, unlike MAC, which you can use prior makeup, after makeup, whatever, however, but you can use this product only for makeup setting. I'm going to show you in details how it actually performs. Is it worth it or not? I'm gonna swatch some of the eyeshadow on the back of my hand, and like that. Okay, I think it's enough. It's a very bright green though. Now I'm gonna spray the Maybelline Lasting Fix on this. See, I have used a little bit of extra fixing spray, but it's okay because I'm gonna check the product out. I'm gonna wait for a couple of minutes until it dries out properly, and as I have mentioned, it gives totally matte finish, as you can see. I think it's a pretty nice drugstore makeup setting spray, and it's not that much affordable, but it's not like very high-end product, but it works nicely. You can get it easily in everywhere, like any makeup store or any online website like Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Purple, wherever you want it. So it's a very easy purchase, and I think I'm gonna give 4 out of 5 stars. I'm cutting the 1 star because of the fragrance fact. Other than that, it's a very good product and I highly recommend you this product. And one more thing I want to mention, I just forgot to mention that this is totally an unbiased review. This is not sponsored, anything sort of that. You just wanted to see the review of this product. One of my subscriber commented, that's why I am creating this video. So don't be mistaken that this is a sponsored video or anything like that. It's not. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help me to grow, and I will see you guys on the next one. And by the way, if you want to see some other setting spray review, do not forget to tell me in the comment section. I would love to do that for you guys. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Bye.